Hi, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Laura and this is Levi, and today we are going to do a recipe called peach chutney barbecue chicken. This is a new recipe for us. We kind of came up with this just, I don't know, a couple months ago. We make this peach chutney at Davison Orchards and it's really yummy, and I've used it more as a dip or on brie cheese. This is a new thing for me. I haven't cooked with it before. So I love this recipe because it's very delicious and it's very quick. So you need thawed chicken breasts, and take them out of your fridge, and then I like to season them quickly with my favorite garlic seasoning. For me, my favorite is this garlic blaster. It's locally made here in the Okanagan. Okay, and then we'll flip it over and you can do the other side. You can probably do a little bit more on the other side, Levi. Turn my barbecue on to 400 degrees, and once it's up to temp, then I'm going to put these on the barbecue. So you're going to start by putting the chicken on your barbecue. Around 400 degrees is ideal. And we're going to put our timer on for 5 minutes. We're going to cook it on each side for 5 minutes before we put the chutney on. Okay, 5 minutes. We'll flip our chicken. Looks a little dry at this point, but don't worry, we're gonna fix that after our next 5 minutes. The chicken has now been in here 10 minutes, 5 minutes on each side, so now I'm gonna put the magic on here. So I'm just gonna grab my peach chutney and stick it on top here. You don't actually need a lot. This peach chutney on the barbecue, because peach chutney is tangy and sweet. And those two combos with the acidity mixed with the sugar that's in this product, it just caramelizes on this chicken, and it's so tasty. I'm going to give that about 4 minutes. And obviously a chicken breast that's this size is going to take longer to cook than this one. But I want to make sure that I get the chutney on both sides, like I'm able to cook it on both sides, because again, that's how it's going to caramelize. So you're going to want to have a meat thermometer and make sure that your chicken gets up to temp before you take it off. And obviously, like this big one is going to take significantly longer, or a few more minutes longer, I guess, than the little one. Okay, I'll come check on that in about 4 minutes. Okay, I'm going to flip this for the final time. But you'll see how that caramelizes nicely. You want to make sure that your barbecue is not too hot. This is just marginally too hot here, so I'm going to turn it down just a little bit. But that looks good. You're going to want to have it in there for at least 2 minutes so that you get the other side caramelized. But then it's just a matter of when it's up to temp. I'm just going to check the other side to see how it looks. It looks amazing. Okay, awesome. So I make sure that you transfer this to a clean plate. Get rid of your other plate, get it far away so that you don't make the mistake of putting it on a raw chicken plate. Now let it rest for at least 5 minutes. 10 minutes is probably better. And this is a small thing, but a big thing. It really helps trap in the moisture of the chicken. Which will just make for a better product in the end. So our peach chutney barbecue chicken has had its 5 to 10 minutes to rest, and so I'm confident I can use it. Now you can eat this. Why don't we take this off, Levi? I'm going to show you how to make a most amazing sandwich with it, but of course you could stop this video right now and just enjoy it. Let me show you my favorite way of eating this chicken. Alrighty, so we are going to start by using some focaccia bread. And you can actually check out my video on how to make this super simple focaccia bread. It's really easy. However, if you'd rather just go and buy it, we sell it at the farm. You can also just buy it from a grocery store. It is a big part of the sandwich though. So you can cut the bread however your preference is, of course. But I like to cut it kind of in a slice like this. It just makes for a really good presentation. And we're gonna slice it in half. Okay. Then on the one side, we're gonna take some peach chutney. Okay, we'll take a piece of our chicken and slice it into thin pieces. Okay, put that on there. Okay, then I'm just going to slice some brie cheese and put that on top. And on top of that, I'm going to put this balsamic reduction. This is a classic. This is another local product here. It's a little bit thinner than some, so if you're using this particular one, don't dump the jar. We're just going to drizzle it on top. Okay, just a little splash. It's strong, so you don't need a lot. Yum. And that is your sandwich. So, so good. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button
and subscribe for more videos.